In this video, I'm going to show you how to set and send View Once media on Signal. Begin first by opening up your Signal app. My Signal app is on my home screen. I'm going to tap on it now to open it. Once you've got your Signal app open, tap on a conversation or a chat that you'd like to send a View Once media to, such as a photo or video. So I'm going to tap on the Note to Self conversation here. To send media on Signal, you need to tap on the plus icon here. You have lots of options. You can send a photo from your gallery or a video also, a file, a poll, contact, and location. For this video, I'm going to be rolling with gallery, but before I tap on that, make sure you give Signal the necessary permission to view your photos or videos if you're going to send that type of media. Now, I already have given Signal limited access, so it does have some access to my gallery. If you do need to give Signal the permissions, do click on manage and then grant Signal the necessary permissions that you're comfortable with. So I'm going to be sending a photo. It's going to be this photo here, but I'm going to tap on gallery and then I'm going to tap on a photo in my downloads, and I'm going to go with this orange background photo here. I'm going to tap on the arrow at the bottom here, and then before you tap on send, which is this forward arrow, I'm first going to tap on the icon here with the infinity symbol. This means if I send this message now as it stands with the infinity symbol, the picture can be viewed for as long as the person has the conversation or up until the point I delete the message. However, if I tap on this infinity loop symbol, I'll set the photo to view once. And now this form of media, which is an image in my case, can only be viewed once by the recipient. So once they open the image, they will not be able to view it again. It's simply a one-time view, and that's indicated by the one symbol here. So now to send this View Once media, if you don't require any edits, just simply tap on the send arrow icon here. And there we go, it has been sent to the recipient. You can see the View Once icon for this media. There is no thumbnail or preview of the media for the recipient. They will need to just simply tap on this message to view it. So it is good for the privacy conscious people of this world. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to set and send View Once media on Signal Android. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?